Mercuryo, the European leader in cryptocurrency payment processing solutions, is making its way to the USA. Our technology enables businesses across the world to send and receive payments for goods and services using cryptocurrencies. To do this, we provide businesses with our widget that lets the users buy and sell cryptocurrencies, allowing companies to earn more. Mercuryo technology allows cryptocurrencies to be used as any form of payment worldwide. Its infrastructure provides solutions for virtual accounts, business payments, remittance processing, and mass payouts regardless of local payment methods and currencies. All these parts unite into one seamless and smooth ecosystem that reveals new opportunities for business. It works smoothly and provides the best possible user experience both for business and users too. So its partners can work with Mercuryo in America, and American businesses can access clients in Europe and around the world. It empowers more businesses to be part of the global blockchain community, making the digital economy a reality for more and more partners worldwide. Mercuryo, bridging fiat and crypto worlds.